Okay, so now we're going to do the leg extension exercise. So you can sit on the bed, edge of a table, or on a chair. Preferably, you want to have the leg hanging off the chair and not touching the floor. In a case like this, if you're on a chair that's too low, you can probably take a pillow, chuck it under the leg like this. So you get something like this. So you see my foot now is off the floor. So initially, you may not need to use any weight because your strength levels may be very low. In this position here, I want you to pull the foot up to tighten this anterior tibialis muscle. Extend, hold for a second, come down slow. Up, extend, contract the quadricep muscle, come down in a controlled fashion. Up again, contract, come down in a controlled fashion. What you don't want to do is have this swinging ballistic movement like this. Okay, this is likely going to injure your knee. Okay, leg is here, up, contract, and down, and perform for the required amount of repetitions. Now, as you get stronger and stronger, you may want to add some weight. And the weight can be added in a couple of fashions. One way is you can have a partner press on your leg like this as you extend the leg. Or you can use the opposite leg like this, taking this leg, applying force this way to resist this leg, giving the quadricep muscles a bit more work to do. And down. Up and down. In this case here, I'm just simply letting the opposite leg rest on the working leg. So the weight of the lower leg is performing the function of a resistance for this quadricep muscle. Up and down. Okay. Next way you can do it, you can use ankle weights or what people call sandbags. These are available in your local sports store. There are iron filings in each of the compartments here that give this some weight. They come in 1 pound, 2 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound weights. Or an alternative, you have those that are adjustable. You can see these here. The bars come out. Each bar here is 1 pound. And you can adjust the weight. So then you attach this to your lower leg. Okay, so now the weight is attached to the leg. Still, pull the foot back. And you extend, working the quadricep muscle, come back down in a controlled fashion, up and down. Okay? So, and do this for the required amount of repetitions as prescribed by the therapist. As you get stronger and stronger, of course, you'll want to increase the weight that you're using.